In a ruling today attributed to free speech, justices sided with a Christian business owner in Colorado who refuses to create websites to celebrate same-sex weddings. In a 6-3 decision penned by Justice Neil Gorsuch, he wrote, quote, "The First Amendment envisions the United States as a rich and complex place where all persons are free to think and speak as they wish, not as the government demands." Some in the local LGBTQ community tell reporter Julian Patas that the decision isn't the end of the debate.
He continues our live team coverage downtown.
That's right. Doug Shelley, the Albuquerque Community Foundation is a group that supports LGBTQ+ rights. But they say a move like this damages those types of rights. They say with all the work the community has tried to do to move forward, this is something that pushes them back.
It's a scary time to be thinking that my rights might be in danger.
Kate Leung is with the Albuquerque Community Foundation, and she says she's concerned for others within the LGBTQ+ community, but feels New Mexico has done work necessary to protect their rights.
I feel very grateful to live in New Mexico and to live in a community where I feel safe and supported.
Others like Pam Myers worry if the state may eventually lose those rights someday.
Even though we have more protections than any other state in the country, we could lose that in a heartbeat.
The 6-3 ruling argues this web designer has the right to demonstrate their First Amendment freedom of speech. Myers understands this issue puts some business owners in a difficult position.
I would probably be just as challenged as I'm sure they were having to make that decision, but it's a wrong decision.
Myers and Leung say the LGBTQ+ community needs to stand stronger, as they say there is no going back.
We cannot let members of our LGBTQIA community be persecuted.
For me, there's no choice but to move forward. This is who we are, and we're not going away.
Now, the web designer is based in Colorado, where there are laws barring businesses from discriminating people based on their sexual orientation. Due to the argument that they used free speech, this person is entitled to be exempt from that law. Live from Albuquerque, I'm Julian Patas, KOAT, Action 7 News.